Hi espresso lovers, I am Jacob, the designer and creator of Emanuale, an easy manual espresso machine. Say hello to Emanuale. Emanuale is the smallest, lightest manual espresso machine working with the E61 58mm baskets. And now I'm going to show you step by step how to make an excellent espresso out of this little machine. First of all, we have this little machine. On the bottom you can easily screw out our super nice filter basket holder. Put the machine aside, park it on top of this espresso glass here. Inside you can see our super nice filter book screen. We just put this out and put it aside, more later. Here you can see our super nice filter basket holder. You can easily plug in and plug out every E61 58mm basket from 6 gram up to 22 gram. Here you can see I have one of my favorite baskets, a 15 gram VST basket. Snap it in. On the bottom we have our really nice dosing ring. You can easily plug it out, plug it in. You can see here our nice rubber sealing and FDA sealing. This helps with compressing the coffee powder, but also keeps the dosing ring in place and keeps the machine in place on top of the espresso cups and glasses. Now we put this here and put the dosing ring on top. So next we need some nice coffee grinder. You can use an electric grinder. I prefer a hand grinder. Thanks a lot to Comandante Grinders for sending us this C40 machine, one of the best hand grinders on the market. Just unscrew the bean basket and put it aside. And we also need some nice scale. I have this little guy here, put it here, put the basket on top, switch it on. So essentially for making some very great espresso with some nice crema, we need some freshly roasted whole beans, coffee beans. We have it here in this little nice espresso can. This comes with this little machine. It's the packaging of the machine. You can put your machine there, or you can put some espresso beans there. It's up to you. It's a sealed can, so it keeps the coffee beans fresh and tasty. And now we take 15 grams of coffee for a 15 gram filter basket. That's a little bit too much. A little bit back. Perfect. Put it back. Close it. Put it aside. Then open the grinder. Put the beans inside. Put the bean basket, screw it back, close it, and begin turning right and grinding. This takes a little bit, so we fast and forward this process for you so you don't have to wait. Now we're finished. Tap it once, twice, so you get most of the powder inside the coffee basket. Put it aside. Especially the Comandante grinder bean basket fits perfectly onto our dosing ring. Just tap it. Screw it back. Put the machine aside. Now I want to introduce you our super nice distributor tool. This little guy here, say hello. You can easily slide it out, fix it, and then begin by turning from downside to upside and from inside to outside to make an even, consistent powder mass to get the optimum compression quality, no clumps. So from the bottom to the top, and just close it, put it back. It has a magnet, so you can easily put it here. And Then we do have our really nice tamper. It also comes with this little machine. First we have to tap it, compress it once or twice, like this. Put the dosing ring aside, and then we use this little guy here. Go from the top, first a little bit, first contact pressing, and then press it. Then turn it a little bit if you want, and go back up. So now we have a really nice compressed coffee powder cake, and now we use this little guy here, our filter box screen. This helps preventing channeling, keeps the coffee powder in place, helps with consistent water distribution, and also helps to keep the chamber and the piston clean. So we start boiling water now. Just switch it on. Now we have our nice machine here. We slide out the crank. It's in the front hole. Then turn it 90 degrees, and here we have a bit connector, and plug it into the bit connector on the rear hole. When you now turn it left, you lift up the piston and open up the ventile of the piston. There's a scale inside, so you can adjust your perfect ratio. This one is working for me very well. So piston is open. It's on my perfect ratio scale. And now we preheat the chamber, the piston, and also the glass. So we get the optimum temperature for making the espresso. Now it's cooking. Then slowly pour it over the piston, and it flows through the piston into the chamber, into the glass. When it's finished, shake it once or twice, then screw it in. Put the hot water aside, put it back, put the machine on top, and now we pour hot water inside, again over the piston, flowing into the chamber. It's distributing perfectly over the espresso cake until the water fills up, back over the piston. Then turn right, close the ventile, and it's building up pressure. Slowly in one consistent move. Turn right. And you know, when we are finished, there's an audio signal, a click, a bing, chases when our espresso is perfect and finished, and we have the optimum size inside the cup. Like this, just let it loose and turn it back. Shake it a little bit, open the ventile by turning left. Putting back into the sink or in a cup or bowl the rest of the water. Now you can see we have our super nice creamy crema espresso. You can see it's a very consistent fine crema. See, like this. Nice flavorful smell, deep, dark. Very tasty and rich. If you like what you see, please subscribe, follow us, and buy your emanuale to make excellent, perfect espresso whenever you want, wherever you want. Thank you for watching.